students. Good morning. Welcome to science class. Today we are going to see Unit 2, Life of Animals. Before that, tell me, have you ever wondered why a dog drools on seeing food? Why cuckoo sings only during summer? And why baby birds open their mouth when their mother returns to the nest? You know, it's all because of the behavior. You know what is behavior? Behavior is the way a person or animal acts, moves, function is called behavior. So today we are going to see animals' behavior. Each animal has some unique behavior. It includes the activities of an animal and its interaction with other animals. For example, blinking, eating, walking, and flying. Animals gain a lot of benefits by spending time together with other animals of the same species. This is called group behavior. So children, animals which are in group have more advantages. But children, some animals would like to live alone, like tiger, bear, rhinoceros and skunks, because it is easier to find food and shelter. So these animals are called solitary animals. Solitary means alone. Some animals live in small groups. For example, pride of felines. Some lives in larger herd. Example, herd of thousands of wild beasts. So children, group behavior is also called as social behavior. Usually, animals which are in group work together. They work together to find food, defend themselves from other animals, and to look after the young ones. For example, all the fish in a school move together, following the leader in the front. Group of fish is called as school. Staying in a group helps small fish to appear big. The main purpose of group behavior is to help the animals to survive in nature. Now, let's see about group behaviorism in an insects. A best example for that is bees, honeybees. Honeybees live in colonies, that is group, is called hive, containing one queen bee in that group, hundreds of female worker bees, and there will be few male bees. Male bees are called drone. So, when an insects live together, they often follow a hierarchy. Honeybee hive is ruled by the queen. She lays all the eggs and keep the hive under control. The other worker bees will work together to build the nest and to look after the younger bees. This is how the honeybees works in group. Next, we are going to see about birds. Birds are very different from each other. They live in different places, eat different foods, and have different lifestyles. Some birds permanently live in groups, while others come together only during the breeding season. Breeding means producing young ones. Like animals, birds also live in groups, and each bird's group has different name. For example, flock of parrots, star of cranes, parliament of owls, a murder of crows. Not all the bird species build nests. Some of them lay their eggs on the ground or in the gap between rocks. And you know, children, most of the birds build their own nests carefully like engineers, and they build nests for their young ones. Some weave leaves. Weave means interconnecting the leaves to make the nest. Some uses twigs. Twigs are the small branches of tree. So using that small branches, they will build their nest. And some birds build their nest with thorns. Then they pad it with a soft material. So kids, these are the nesting behavior in birds. That's all for today's class, children. So today we saw group behavior in animals, in bees, and nesting behavior in birds. We will continue in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.